Welcome to Easeway Environmental, Harrogate's #1 choice for drainage, plumbing, waste management, pest control, cleaning and asbestos removal. Established in 2000, Easeway Environmental are a family-run business who offer a range of domestic and commercial services throughout the Yorkshire area. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for any type of emergency, and our local council-approved engineers will have your problem fixed fast. All of the work we carry out is fully guaranteed, and we provide a fixed price quotation before any work begins. You can also be safe in the knowledge that we are fully accredited and certified by some of the leading organizations in our field of work. With over 20 years' experience of providing environmental services, you can be assured of an honest and professional service at all times. This is why we are proud to be trusted by many leading organizations throughout the Yorkshire area. For a fast, competitively priced solution to your environmental needs, call the experts at Easeway Environmental today.